Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Vissani portable air conditioner is running but the compressor does not seem to turn on, leaving the room warm instead of cool, it can become frustrating, especially when the fan sounds normal but cooling never really starts. In some situations, the unit may blow regular air without getting colder, while other times the compressor stays quiet and the cooling cycle never begins. This can happen for several reasons, including temperature settings, airflow restrictions, temporary power interruptions, or the system needing a quick refresh after running for long periods. Before assuming there is a serious issue with the motor or cooling system, there are a few simple things worth checking that may help the compressor begin working again. Let's go through some quick steps that may help restore cooling on a Vissani portable air conditioner. Try these. Step 1. Check the cooling mode on the Vissani portable air conditioner and make sure it is not set to fan only mode. Step 2. Lower the temperature setting on the Vissani portable air conditioner so the compressor has a reason to start cooling. Step 3. Clean the filter inside the Vissani portable air conditioner if airflow feels weak or restricted. Step 4. Inspect the vent hose connected to the Vissani portable air conditioner and confirm air moves out properly. Step 5. Turn off the Vissani portable air conditioner for a few minutes before starting it again. Step 6. Listen to the Vissani portable air conditioner after restarting and check whether cooler air begins coming out normally.